Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ripple. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that over the weekend, the price has made a very, very nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its lows to where the price currently is right now, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls had a very, very good weekend. But that does now lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using the chart here, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and I'm just going to get rid of that. And that level is down there at 45 cents. Why is 45 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 45. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Or let's say the price rolls over, not saying it will, and then comes down here and does exactly what it did over here. Just bounces around, and like it did right there, bounces around and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. Remember, cryptos are open 24/7. So even if you're watching this video, let's just say 20 hours from now, the very first question you need to ask yourself, again, is, well, where does the price stand relative to 45 cents? And as long as the price is above 45, then that does imply that the bulls are still making progress, and that's what you want to see. So on that note, that's why I'm not even going to talk about levels of resistance, because really, breaking resistance at this point, not a huge priority. Top priority is all about healthy consolidations and showing progress. Again, healthy being quantified as staying up above 45 cents. So yeah, let's see how the next 24 to 48 hours go and see if the bulls can build upon this movement or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.